Well, workers are closer to clearing the site for a new housing development in downtown Terre Haute. News 10 told you back in May about a Wisconsin-based development company, Development. They're planning to build student housing in the 600 block of Cherry Street. The housing will be called Highland Quarters. Before construction can begin, crews need to demolish the building that's currently at that location. The vice president for explained they have to clear the building of any hazardous materials first. That's so the building is environmentally safe before they tear it down. They expect that work to begin in August.